Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to navigate and register for the digital literacy class options available at the Ritter C. Halsey Public Library in Terrell, Texas. To begin, we will navigate to the library's website, www.cityofterrell.org/820/library. Next, we will scroll down and click on Wings Adult Education, which can be easily identified by the gray logo of a pair of wings. This page will show you the wide variety of classes that the library offers. Today we will be looking at our digital literacy and certifications offerings. Navigate to this on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Digital Literacy and Certifications. This will take you to our digital literacy classes page. It is important to note that you must possess a Ritter C. Halsey Public Library card in order to register for these classes. You can apply for one in person at our primary location. The first thing you will see are in-person digital literacy classes that we offer through North Star. This includes class offerings, dates, location, and a description of each lesson. If this is your preferred option, you can click on the Click Here to Enroll link next to Tech Tuesday's Digital Skills. This will take you to an enrollment form. It is important to fill out as much information as you can, as this will help us create your student profile. As indicated on this first page, we will need your email, library card number, a yes or no answer if you have a library card, if you want to attend in-person or online classes, if you want to learn basic digital skills or receive certifications, your first and last name, address, city, state, zip, phone number, date of birth, and the type of class that you are enrolling in. Then click Next. On the second page, we ask for your gender, ethnicity, language preference, marital status, if you are the head of your household, if you have any children, how many, their ages, and your childcare needs, as we do offer childcare services during class times, if you have transportation, your highest level of education, your employment status, and your employer name. Then click Next again. On this last page, we simply ask if you have attended a WINGS class before, how you heard about our program, and what your goals are for this program. Once you have completed your answers, click Submit. This will send the form to our adult education coordinator, who will work to find a class that best fits your needs. Navigating back to the digital literacy classes page, you can reach the same form by scrolling further down the page to the North Star Digital Literacy section. Again, it is important to note that these classes can be attended in person or online at a self-pace, but if you would like to test for certifications, these must be done in person at our WINGS Education Center. Finally, we offer a program called Senior Planet. If you have little to no experience using technology, this is the class for you. This will introduce the student to computers, Windows, introduction to email, internet, apps, and social media. To see the classes that are currently being offered, scroll back up and click on Senior Planet on the left-hand side. This will take you to a page with all upcoming classes, including our Tech Tuesdays computer skills that we previously discussed. There are also a wide variety of classes available, such as smartphone photography and introduction to photo editing. From this page, you can scroll down and click the red link that says Senior Planet Enrollment Form to sign up. This takes you to another form. Please provide your email, a yes or no answer if you have a library card, your library card number, your first and last name, and the name of the class that you are interested in. Then click Next. On the second page, please let us know if you have attended a WINGS class before, how you heard about our program, what your goals are, and if you agree to opt in or opt out of email communications about Senior Planet. If you would like, you can also select the circle next to Send a copy of my responses, which will email you a copy of the answers you have provided for your records. Once you have completed this form, click Submit. This has been a short tutorial on how to navigate and register for the digital literacy class options available at the Ritter C. Halsey Public Library.